day. What a beautiful place.
I'm here with the interesting story of letter N. A beautiful nightingale lives on a leaf. Her name is Nino. One stormy night, her nest falls from the tree. Leaf starts crying. Thinking this girl hears her cry and comes to help her. He builds a nest with shells. Thank you, says Nightingale. Sky says, yes. This is the sound of N. N says That's simple now. It Nightingale shells and nests. First letter of name is N. The first letter of nightingale is N. Now we are going to learn how to write letter N. Small letter N and capital letter N. Capital letter N. Standing line. Standing line. I repeat. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. N. Next. Small letter N. Yes, I repeat. Start from top. Standing line. Go back. Half circle. And standing line. Small letter N. My letter N. Capital letter N and small letter N. N says no. N for nose. N for necklace. N for needle. N for nose. N for newspaper. Small letter N. N for nut. N for nuts. N for nail. Trace and write. Capital letter N. Start from bottom to top. Standing line. And slanting line. And standing line. Capital letter N is standing line, top, and slanting line, again standing line. Capital letter N, standing line, slanting line, and standing line. Capital letter N. How to write in 4 lines. How to write? Following 1, 2, 3, 4. But we use only 3 lines. Start from here, third line. Standing line to top. And next, standing line. And standing line to top. Capital letter N. Here, no dots. Right? Small letter N. Standing line to down and go back to top. Half circle and standing line. Small letter N. Standing line back to top. How to write small letter N in following? We use only 2 lines, middle 2 lines. Small letter N. Start from second line and to third line. Go back. Half circle and standing line. Small letter N. Next, start from the top. Small letter N. Here, now no dots. Start from the top. Standing line, half circle, and standing line. Complete these pages and send it to me. Next page. Here a rhyme. Start with M.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Say the name of each picture. Circle the picture and begins with the M and N and write the letter in the box given. Here is a monkey. The first letter of monkey is M. Right here, M. Next, N. And fourth, nose. Right here, N. Next, N. N for needle. Right here, N. Next, mango. M for mango. Right here, M. Next, name the following pictures and circle the first letter. M for mango. Circle this letter M. M for middle. Circle M. For net. Circle N. N for nib. Circle N. Circle N. N for noodles. Circle M. M for mirror.
capital letter N in following book. Standing line. Second, draw slanting line and draw standing line again. Small letter N. 1, 2, 3, 4 line. Small letter N right, middle 2 line. Start from top. Standing line and got to top. Small curve and standing line. Write capital N one page and write small letter M one page.
See you on the next class. Have a great day.